Hi, if you are searching how to buy cryptocurrency, this is the right video to you. In this video, I am going to tell about few steps to buy cryptocurrency. Step 1. There is some eligibility to buy the cryptocurrencies. The first one is you should reach the age 18 and you have the Gmail ID and you have the phone number, PAN card, bank account. These are the basic eligibility to buy cryptos. If you have all these eligibility in the above step, then go to step 2. In this step, you should select the best platform to buy crypto. From the personal experience, I would recommend you to buy crypto from Verex. The link is given in the description. If you are interested to buy crypto, this is the best platform, and some others are Coinbase, Binance. If you have selected the platform, then go to step 3. The step 3 is to download the app from the description and register it with the required document and start buying the cryptocurrency after 1 hour of registration process. Then you start investment in crypto. Thank you.